Ever stared at your screen, a project deadline looming, and thought, where do I even begin? You know you need to get organized. You've heard whispers of this magical tool called Asana, but how do you actually open it? It feels like a silly question, right? Like asking how to open a door. But in today's digital maze, starting can be the hardest part. You're not alone. We've all been there. Think about it. We live in a world of constant information overload. Emails pile up, messages ping from every direction, and projects demand our attention from multiple angles. It's like juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle on a tightrope. And in the midst of this chaos, we're told to be productive, efficient, and collaborative. That's where tools like Asana come in, promising to bring order to the madness. But if you can't even figure out how to get in the door, how can you unlock its potential? Let's break down the common stumbling blocks. Maybe you've heard colleagues rave about Asana's project management prowess, its ability to streamline workflows, and its intuitive interface. You've even seen screenshots of neatly organized tasks and collaborative dashboards. But when you sit down at your computer, ready to dive in, you're met with a blank stare. Where do you start? Is it an app? A website? Do you need a special code? Perhaps you've tried searching online, only to be overwhelmed by a sea of tutorials, pricing plans, and jargon-filled articles. You just want to open the darn thing. You don't need to be a project management guru to get started. You need to know how to open Asana. Or maybe you've tried downloading an app, only to find yourself lost in a maze of settings and configurations. You're not sure if you've downloaded the right version, or if you need to create an account first. The confusion is real. The truth is, while Asana is designed to be user-friendly, the initial steps can be daunting, especially if you're new to project management tools. So, let's cut through the confusion and get you started. First things first, Asana is primarily a web-based application. This means you can access it directly through your web browser, just like you would any other website. This is the most common and straightforward way to open Asana. Open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser you use regularly. In the address bar at the top of your browser window, type in asana.com. That's asana.com. Press enter. You'll be taken to the Asana homepage. If you already have an Asana account, you'll see a login button in the top right corner. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you're using Google Login, you will see a button to log in using that account. If you don't have an Asana account yet, you'll see a Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on it. You'll be guided through the process of creating a new account. You can sign up using your email address, or you can use your Google account. Asana offers a free version, so you can explore its features without any cost. Once you've logged in or created your account, you'll be taken to your Asana workspace. This is where you'll manage your projects, tasks, and teams. You'll see a sidebar on the left with various options, such as Home, My Tasks, Inbox, and your projects. Now let's talk about the Asana mobile app. Yes, Asana also offers mobile apps for both iOS and Android devices. This allows you to access your projects and tasks on the go. To download the Asana mobile app, open the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices on your mobile device. Search for Asana in the search bar. The Asana app will appear in the search results. Tap on it to download and install it. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll be prompted to log in using your existing Asana account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from the app. The mobile app interface is designed to be user-friendly and optimized for mobile devices. You can view your tasks, update progress, and collaborate with your team members directly from your phone or tablet. Now, let's address some common issues you might encounter. If you're having trouble accessing Asana, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Try restarting your router or modem if you're experiencing connectivity issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, outdated cache and cookies can interfere with website functionality. Clearing them can resolve many common issues. Try a different browser. If you're still having trouble, try accessing Asana using a different web browser. Check Asana's status page. Asana has a status page that provides information about any ongoing outages or issues. You can check this page to see if there are any known problems. Verify your login credentials. Double-check that you're entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Ensure that your device operating system is up to date. Outdated operating systems can sometimes cause compatibility issues with modern applications. If you're still experiencing issues after trying these troubleshooting tips, you can contact Asana's support team for assistance. They can provide more specific guidance and help you resolve any technical problems. Opening Asana is just the first step. Once you're in, you'll discover a wealth of features that can help you streamline your workflows, improve collaboration, and boost productivity. Take some time to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with the various options. Start by creating a simple project and adding a few tasks. Experiment with different views, such as list view, board view, and calendar view. Explore the various features, such as task assignments, due dates, comments, and file attachments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.